Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll sign in and verify your subscription, then pick or create a resource group. Do this now because location affects latency and costs. Once done, click Create, choose Virtual Machine, and select an OS image that matches your workload. Make a clear name and set admin username and strong password or SSH key. Make sure to select the same region as other services to reduce egress. This gets you from 0 to the VM creation form, ready for the detailed configuration steps. Now you configure compute and storage. Pick a VM size that meets CPU and RAM needs, balancing performance versus cost. Next, choose an OS disk type, SSD for speed, HDD for budget, and attach data disks if you need persistent storage. After that, set up networking, choose or create a VNet and subnet, assign a public IP only if required, and add NSG inbound rules for SSH or RDP. Also enable managed identity or extensions if you plan automation or monitoring. These choices affect access and security. Finish by reviewing the summary and cost estimate. Azure validates required fields, fix any warnings, and then click Create. Once deployment completes, connect with SSH for Linux or RDP for Windows. Use the public IP or jump host if private. After connecting, install agents, enable Azure backup and monitoring, and configure automatic updates. If deployment fails, check quota and subscription limits first. Otherwise, verify NSG, subnet, and image compatibility in the error details. Those are the most common root causes to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.